Hello friends, welcome to my channel and currently I am taking a look at the weekly chart of Bank Nifty, which is a bellwether index for banking sector and an important component for even Nifty. So banking stocks, if you look at it, I mean, they have exhibited a lot of volatility in last 4 months. The time when banking index hit around 48,000 plus level, and then it came back to around 45,000 level, 44,500 level over here, and then after that there was a steady climb. It has gained ground. About 3 4 weeks back, it hit the same selling zone that was actually acting as a resistance earlier. So from there again, it does a dip and it found some support near this 46,000 level, which is important round number kind of support. And you can see that there are 2 weeks on the weekly chart for Bank Nifty. So this is a support exhibited at lower level. There is a steady climb. Uptrend is still intact. So all in all, I think this indicates that there is a possibility of further attempt to actually gain ground, provided this particular week is overcome. The weakening in the upper shadow. If it closes around this level or above level, above that level, then I think there could be an attempt to cross this zone once again. Important things to note over here is that these three candles currently are forming something called morning star. So that is uh, a very like bullish pattern, important pattern in candlestick literature. So if you give weightage to that, that also is indicating that we can see further attempt to gain ground. So we can see hit to around 47,700 level in near future, or maybe beyond that. So if that's the view, then how can you play this view? Of course, similar to Nifty, you can actually sell low level puts if you are very like aggressive trader. But I would advise you against that. But you can consider selling maybe pull put spreads wherein you can sell 46,000 put, and for the same maturity you can buy 45,500 put. So that is one way of playing this bullishness. If you think that this particular zone is going to be tough one to cross in near term, then you can sell create a credit spread, short credit spread, wherein you can have premium pocketed in your account by selling say around 47,500 kind of call, and buying say around 48,000 strike price call. So that is one way of playing it. If it jumps further up, you can actually do the similar thing by selling say around 48,000 call and buying this 48,500 call. So that can be played since the uptrend is still intact. Yet the movement has been quite range bound if you take last 6 weeks perspective. So that is the situation currently technically. If you look at on the upside also beyond this particular peak, you can see a Bollinger Band resistance at around say maybe 49,000 plus level. So that is still a distance, but that can come into play in maybe medium term. Since we are in the election phase, we are like to see continuation of support for these leading indices, and so that's the view. I think you can continue to learn through my videos. I have mentioned one particular pattern in this video that is like to augur well for Bank Nifty. You can actually mention that like which pattern is going to create a kind of bullish undertone in near future in comment. And if you have any doubts about or comments to make, I think you can always make it, and I'll be more than happy to respond. So keep learning and keep watching my channels. do hit the subscribe button if you like this kind of clear and crisp views. Hit the bell icon also so that you get timely notification as always. And that's about it. I'll see you in my next video next week. Thank you.